Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's essential for any aquarium enthusiast, the AquaClear 70 Power Filter. We found this excellent filter online and have included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. The AquaClear 70 Power Filter is designed for fish tanks ranging from 40 to 70 gallons, making it a robust choice for those who want to maintain a healthy aquatic environment. This filter is more than just a standard filtration system. It provides superior contact time with filter media, ensuring that your water is not just filtered but truly cleansed. Its energy-efficient pump is a standout feature, lowering operating costs while not compromising on performance. Let's break down some of its key features. First and foremost, the AquaClear 70 is equipped with a comprehensive filtration system that includes mechanical, chemical, and biological filtration. This means that it not only removes particulate matter but also eliminates harmful impurities and supports beneficial bacteria growth. The filter comes with AquaClear Foam, which captures large particles and debris, activated carbon to remove toxins and odors, and BioMax and CycleGuard to promote excellent water quality. In fact, the filtration volume is up to 7 times larger than comparable fish tank filters, offering enhanced performance for your aquarium. This filter is suitable for a wide range of aquarium setups. Whether you're a beginner setting up your first tank or an experienced aquarist maintaining a large community tank, the AquaClear 70 caters to your needs. It's particularly beneficial for those who keep a variety of fish or aquatic plants, as its multi-stage filtration ensures that all aspects of your aquarium ecosystem are well cared for. Now, let's talk about practical use cases. If you're running a community tank with several different species of fish, the AquaClear 70 will help maintain a balanced environment, reducing stress on your fish and promoting healthy growth. If you have a heavily planted aquarium, its efficient biological filtration will provide the right conditions for your plants to thrive. And for those who enjoy keeping delicate species like bettas or discus, the filter's gentle water flow feature minimizes stress and encourages natural behaviors. Installation is quick and easy, making it a hassle-free addition to your setup. We recommend cleaning the filter every 2 weeks to maximize its operation and efficiency. This simple maintenance routine will help keep your water crystal clear and your fish happy. In conclusion, the AquaClear 70 Power Filter is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to enhance their aquarium's water quality. With its superior filtration capabilities, energy efficiency, and ease of use, it stands out as a reliable and effective solution for both novice and expert aquarists alike. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't